Most people think a great workshop requires a huge garage, expensive tools, or professional construction. But the truth is, some of the most efficient and satisfying workshops exist in the smallest spaces. With the right ideas, layout, and organization systems, even a tight corner can become a powerful workspace and a true man cave. In this video, you'll discover 101 small workshop ideas designed to help you save space, improve workflow, and create a shop that feels intentional, productive, and enjoyable to work in. These ideas focus on function first, because when your shop works better, everything you build improves too. A successful small workshop always starts with layout. Clear pathways make a space feel larger and safer. When you can move freely without stepping over tools or materials, productivity naturally increases. Defining work zones is essential. Cutting, assembly, storage, and finishing don't need separate rooms, but they do need defined areas. Even visual separation helps your brain stay organized. The workbench is the heart of every workshop. In small spaces, compact benches with built-in storage outperform oversized tables. Storage under the bench is one of the most efficient uses of space. Bench height matters more than people realize. A properly sized bench reduces fatigue, improves accuracy, and makes long sessions more comfortable. Wall space is the most valuable real estate in a small workshop. Vertical storage solutions instantly multiply usable space without increasing the footprint. Pegboards remain popular because they're flexible. As tools change, the layout can change with them. French cleat systems provide even more adaptability. They allow shelves, cabinets, and holders to move as your workflow evolves. Tool visibility is a major efficiency booster. When tools are visible, decisions are faster and frustration disappears. Frequently used tools should live at arm's reach. Less used tools can be stored higher or lower without affecting daily workflow. Mobile storage adds flexibility. Rolling carts let you bring tools to the task and store them away when finished. Locking casters improves safety while maintaining mobility. Space should stay as open as possible. Wall-mounted storage and rolling bases keep the shop feeling spacious. Lighting transforms small workshops. Bright, even lighting reduces errors and makes the space feel larger. Task lighting above benches and machines improves accuracy and reduces eye strain. Under-shelf lighting eliminates shadows in tight areas. Storage depth matters in small shops. Shallow shelves often outperform deep cabinets because everything stays visible and accessible. Clear bins make inventory management easier. You always know what you have and what's missing. Labeling systems reduce mental load. When everything has a name and a place, cleanup becomes automatic. Overhead storage is perfect for long items like lumber, clamps, and jigs. Ceiling-mounted racks use space that would otherwise go unused. Clamp storage deserves special attention. Wall-mounted clamp racks save time and reduce clutter. Power tool organization should follow frequency of use. The tools you use most should be easiest to reach. Battery charging stations work best when centralized. This prevents scattered cords and lost batteries. Cable management improves both safety and appearance. Magnetic tool holders keep hand tools visible and accessible. Drawer dividers prevent small tools from becoming a mess. Consistent storage systems make reorganization easier over time. A clean bench is more productive than a crowded one. Storing tools vertically clears valuable work surface. Hooks are versatile, affordable, and easy to reconfigure. Corner spaces often go unused. Corner shelves turn awkward areas into functional storage. Fold-down tables are ideal for small shops. They provide workspace when needed and disappear when not. Flip-top carts allow one footprint to serve multiple tools. Management matters even in small spaces. Compact systems improve air quality and protect tools. Rubber floor mats reduce fatigue and noise. Sound control improves comfort in tight workshops. Color choices affect perception. Light walls make small shops feel larger and brighter. Consistent finishes create visual calm and reduce distraction. Tool shadow boards improve accountability. Missing tools are obvious immediately. Grouping tools by task improves muscle memory and efficiency. Frequently used materials should be stored near the bench. Storage should support workflow, not fight it. Keeping the floor clear improves safety and cleaning. A small finishing station can be simple and compact. Dedicated shelves for finishes prevent spills and confusion. Workflow improves when steps are minimized. Small shops benefit from routines. Cleaning at the end of each session prevents buildup. Simple habits maintain organization better than complex systems. Storage should evolve as projects change. Personal touches turn a workshop into a man cave. Organization and style can coexist. A shop you enjoy using gets used more often. A small workshop encourages smarter decisions and better habits. Efficiency creates confidence. Organization reduces mistakes. Less clutter means more focus. Your shop should support your creativity, not limit it. The best workshops aren't perfect. They're intentional. Even small upgrades can deliver big improvements. One shelf, one hook, or one drawer can change how a shop feels. A powerful workshop isn't about size. It's about systems. When tools have a home, your mind stays clear. Small workshops reward thoughtful design. With the right ideas, any space can become productive. The ultimate man cave is built on function, comfort, and pride. And with these 101 small workshop ideas, you can transform any space into a shop that works as hard as you do.